And welcome to my new blog post 26. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the analysis of the situation of the business case. So what does that exactly mean? Let's start. So by the analysis of the situation means that we need to identify the various causes that are related to the business cases. So the first one is identification of organizational strategies, goals, and objectives. Then identification of root causes of the problem or main contributors of an opportunity. Then we need to do the gap analysis of capabilities needed for the project versus existing capabilities of the organizations. Then we need to identify the known risks related to the business case. Then we need to identify the critical success factors that are related to the business need. Then we need to identify decision criteria by which the various courses of action may be assessed. So the criteria of the criteria categories that are used for situations are normally required, desired, and optional. In required, this is a criterion that is required to be fulfilled to address the problem or opportunity. In case of desired, this is the criteria that is desired to be fulfilled to address the problem or opportunity. Then the third one is optional. This is a criterion that is not essential. Fulfillment of this criterion may become a differentiator between alternative course of action. Then the last one is identification of a set of options to be considered for addressing the business problem or opportunity. Options are alternative courses of action that may be taken by the organization. Options may also be described as business scenarios. For example, a business case could present the following 3 points: do nothing, do the minimum, or do more than minimum. So let us discuss one by one. By do nothing mean, this is also referred to as the business as usual option. Selection of this option results in the project not being authorized. Then by the mean of, by do the minimum meaning means do the minimum work possible to address the problem or opportunity. The minimum may be established by identifying the set of documented criteria that are key in addressing the problem or opportunity. Do more than the minimum work possible to address the problem or opportunity. This option meets the minimum set of criteria and some or all of other documented criteria. There may be more than one of these options documented in the business case. So this is all with respect to analysis of the situations, and let's come towards our star question. So the question is: this is a criterion that is not essential. Fulfillment of this criteria may become a differentiator between alternative courses of action. So the options are not optional, optional, required, and desired. So please let me know about your answer in comment section of this video.